Yo, hello Team ITT. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. Israel the trader speaking right here, and thank you very much for checking on us today. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the funded trader, which is a prop firm that fund traders, right? Or that fund retail traders, right? So of course, I'm going to tell you my overview or what I think about this particular prop firm that fund retail traders. Of course, their main target, is to fund traders, and they have a lot of things to offer, guys. And what I believe is that this particular prop firm is different from others. And if you want to know more about this, the funded trader, of course, I'll be uploading videos frequently about this particular prop firm, and also watch this video to the end because I'm going to tell you my opinion and what I think about this particular prop firm. So with that being said, guys, thank you very much for checking on today's video. Let's dive into my computer where I'm going to show you this particular prop firm, which is the funded traders, right? So thank you very much. Let's go there. Okay, all right, guys. So here we go now on my computer where we are going to be checking the funded program by the funded trader. So right now, if you click on the link down in the description of this video, it will lead you to this particular page where you will be able to sign up and register for the funded trader program, where they fund retail traders up to $400,000, right? So right now, guys, and of course, you can see that they have about 1,972 reviews on Trustpilot. Of course, after you were experienced with this particular the funded trader program, of course, you can go and review them on Trustpilot, be positive or negative, guys. Of course, I believe it's going to be positive because of what this particular guys is going to be offering, right? And of course, we'll try to compare them with other brokers, being like forex fund and stuff like that, so that we can just know that okay, this is actually one of the best program, funding program out there, so that you guys can just go and test them out as well, right? Of course, I so much believe in these guys. Okay, so getting to the evaluation process, guys. The first thing you're going to be seeing is this first, second, and third stage, whereby the first stage, it is your phase one, that you have to pass some criteria in order for you to be, to progress to the phase two, which is, the verification stage, where you have to still prove some sort of skills in order for you to become the funded trader. You know what I'm saying? The funded trader. Oh my goodness, this, I'm just so amazed with this particular platform, guys. Okay, so you can see that's the third stage, whereby you will now become their funded trader. You will get up to 90% profit split, guys, on scaling, and you get about 80%, normal profit split. So on scaling, you get about 90%. So this is one of the best program out there, guys. Okay, so you can see, you can read this, the rapid challenge phase one, the funded trader rapid challenge phase one is the first stage of the evaluation process, right? You must follow your trading plan and properly control your risk to succeed in this phase. So, you guys are seeing what they're actually saying or telling you, right? So if you just go through this particular website, you'll be able to understand what this particular prop firm offers the funded trader, right? You guys can see these are the plans that they have. They have the standard challenge, the rapid challenge, and of course the royal challenge. So if you go for the standard challenge, you can see this is the standard challenge account balance of 100,000. Let's go for the 50,000 first, because that's the minimum they have. And of course, the leverage is 1 to 200. Of course, this is a great leverage, guys. So now you can see the phase one, which is they have 31 days. Comparing to the other prop firm, guys, they only offer about 30 days, right? But this, the funded trader, they offer 35 days, 5 days more. So you see, they are trying their best to see how they can provide some good traders out there. And of course, you guys are seeing that, okay, you get about 80% profit split and 90% with scaling. Remember I said that, right? So you can see their max loss of $6,000, which is 12% of your account. So comparing to the other prop firm out there, they only offers you about 10% maximum loss. And of course, you can see their max daily loss is about 66%, which is $3,000 on this particular $50,000 challenge, right? So you can also go for the swing account, meaning that if you go for this swing, you'll be able to hold your trade over the week, right? So if you are in a trade today now, or being a Friday, let's just take for example today is Friday and you are in a trade, you are supposed to close that trade. Or one thing I like about this, the funded traders will, if you are on a regular account, meaning that you don't hold trade over the weekend, your trade are going to be automatically closed on Friday 4:30 p.m. Eastern time, right? Because you know that the market closes about 5 p.m. Eastern time on Friday, but your trade are going to be automatically closed 4:30 p.m. Eastern time on your account if you go for the standard challenge, right? Of course, I'm just trying to make sure you understand this before you opt in to use this particular the funded trader program. So and of course, if you go for the swing account, guys, definitely you'll be able to hold your trade over the week and progress to the next week in order for your trade to keep on running. Somebody like me as a swing trader, definitely I like to leave my trade even over the week, guys, in order for me to just take advantage of the big move in the market, right? So of course, if you trade like me, definitely this prop firm is the way to go for you guys, right? I'm just trying to explain to you guys what exactly makes this the funded trader different from other prop firms, right? Because it is the best out there, guys. So that's not about the challenge. Of course, you can still go for the rapid, royal and stuff like that. The rapid, you can see that they have about 1 to 30 leverage, not 1 to 200 comparing to the standard challenge, right? Of course, you can see here the fee is quite low compared to the standard challenge based on the fact that the difference, because they give you low leverage here, which is 1 to 30. So about there they give you 1 to 3, 1 to 200. So you can see the difference, guys. Of course, you can still go for the royal challenge. So you can see they still have 285 instead of 299, right? So you can see the differences, guys. Here, you just have to go for phase 1 target 31 days. You just need about 8% here, and you need about 5% on the phase 2, and you have about 60 days on that max loss of 10%. You can see the max loss is quite different from here as well. So it depends on which one you want to opt in for. And of course, you can see everything. The minimum trading days is 5 comparing to the other prop firm that offer 10 minimum trading days, guys. Of course, if you're able to pass your challenge in about 3 days or 4 days, in 5 days, you are going to be done with this particular challenge. No need for you to be waiting for 10 days or 5 more extra days, guys. So, this particular plans that the funded trader provide is actually the base, guys. So let's go down to what else they do have. Let's compare them with other brokers like FTMO. So this one is gonna be we are using $100,000 to compare all of this, and most especially we'll be comparing the prices, max daily loss, max max loss in total and stuff like that. We'll compare everything here. You can see going with the FTMO first, guys. You can see the price here for the $100,000 is $549 dollars, right? But of course, on FTMO, you can see they have $657 as their fee. You can see the difference of how many? The difference of $108. So $108, guys, is so much, it's huge, right? So of course, this program, which is the funded trader, is the best to go if you want to get the legitimate prop firm out there. Of course, coming down to the maximum daily, maximum drawdown, which is daily, you can see they have 6%, and also the daily loss is about, the max loss is about 12% in total, right? So daily, you are allowed to just lose about 6% of your account. You shouldn't exceed 6%, And of course, on the FTMO, you can see it's just about 5%. And in total, they have about 10%. So payout split or profit split, you can see they have 80 to 20, the same thing. Minimum trading days, you can see 5, and on FTMO, they have 10. You can see the difference, guys, 5 and 10, difference of 5 days. So you can see the evaluation, which is the phase 2. Here, you can see the phase 1, they have 35 days, and phase 2, 60 days. You can see 30 days and 60 days. Target 10% and 5%. Also the same thing, 10% and 5%. So you can see how trade on the weekend. You can see on FTMO is no, but here it is yes, meaning that on the Funny Trader program, you'll be able to hold your trade over the weekend, guys. And of course, on FTMO, it's not every account that they allow that. So you can see that it says no here. And same thing with my Forex fund, guys. Compare everything. Of course, I don't want to waste much of your time. You can still go over this, click down, click on the link down in the description, and make sure you use my code, guys, to get some discount, right? Get some discount using my code down in the description below. So that's just overview of this particular program. And of course, you can see supported trading platform, right? So guys, I will still make video about this. So this is just the overview of trying to like introduce you to this, the funded trader program. Of course, they are the best out there, guys. That's it. And of course, just keep on exploring. And if you have questions, just comment it down in the comment section below. And of course, I will see it and answer your question. And of course, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and of course, our free Telegram channel. And of course, if you have any question, guys, message me on Instagram, message me on Twitter, message me on Facebook, message me on Telegram, right? All the links going to be down in the description to my social media handles, right? Just go check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video. So thank you very much for watching. I'm still Israel the Trader. I'm signing out, guys. So expect more videos to be uploaded about this, the funded trader, in the coming days, guys. So once more again, I'm still Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much. Peace out, guys.